Okay, now let's see question number 2. Question number 2 says that any string of terminal that can be generated by the following context-free grammar. That is, S can be generated by X and Y can be generated by either AX or BY, BX or A, and Y can be generated by either YA or YB or A. So what are the, firstly we can see what are the context-free grammar. So context-free grammar are a powerful tool and formal language theory which allow the generation of complex string of terminal to form a set of production. Now let's see the characteristics of strings which were given for context-free grammar. So our option A, the presence of at least one B, option B ending in A, option C no consecutive A's or B's, and option D minimum number of C. Now let's see all the option one by one. What does option A state that? Option A is presence of at least one B. In option A, it is stated that any string that is generated by a given context-free grammar must contain at least one B terminal as the production rule X to BX, which allow for the inclusion of B. What does what does option number B state? In this, the option number B states that our string should end with A. So if we have a production rule such as Y belongs to YA, we will ensure that any string that is generated by the context-free grammar will end with a terminal A. Now we will see what does option number C state. It says that not consecutive A's or B's should be there, like no A's or B's should have consecutiveness. So in the production rule, suppose we have X which belong to A of X or B of X or A or and we have Y which belongs to Y of A or Y of B or A. So it prevents the generation of a string with consecutive A's or zeros. And option number D is minimum number of A's. So minimum number of A's we can take at least 2 A's, such as the production rule of X which belong to AX or Y to YA ensure that any string which is generated by context-free grammar must contain at least 2 A terminals. So what were the possible string that will be generated from context-free grammar? Here are some of the examples. Example 1 is this A, B, A, Y, A, in which also there are 2 A's. In example number 2, VXA, in example number 3, AAAYB. So these all are the possible string from the which can be generated from context-free grammar. Now we will see what was the correct answer. So our correct answer was option answer D, has at least 2 Z's. Now we will look at its explanation. It says that the string A, X, Y satisfy all the given condition. It has at least one B from the production rule X which belong to B of X. It also ends with A from the production rule Y which belongs to YA. Has no consecutive A's or B's from the production rule and has at least 2 A's from the production. So this was the correct answer. Hope it helped you. Thank you.